Hi, welcome to my channel again. This project that we will be seeing today is a very challenging project for me, not only because of the space that I had to design, but also it was the first project that I did after my baby girl was born. And yes, that's the reason I was absent for such a long period from making a video for you. Although I did the interiors of this place in 2019, but because of the virus and the lockdowns, I was not able to make a video for it. So now let's take you straight to the client's home and the first meeting that I had with them. Dehradun is a quaint town that was known for its greenery and serenity. When I was young, we were taught that it's a city with green hedges and grey heads. Maybe hair dye weren't invented back then. So my clients have grown up in this house and so have their kids. It's a house amidst one of the busiest roads but with the quietest neighborhood. Just one turn. Change the perspective and we are in the erstwhile Dehradun of my childhood. At the Auroras.
Sunday is not off for you.
See, I'm here.
No, that's why I was wondering. एक दिन off होना चाहिए.
I know. This house is probably a 100-year-old building from pre-independence era, and the clients have added the various sections of the house later. Their current drawing room is one such room. The dining actually is a passage, and the main challenge for us is to open up this space without making any civil changes. Let's meet the family first and get to know what they look forward to now that they have invited me over. आइए मैम. नाइस. घर वालों ने तो पूरा सोफा कब्जा किया. दो चार जने और आए वो कहाँ बैठे?
Ma'am, he's my brother, my younger brother, 4 years younger to me, and my wife Shuchi. रीना मेरे भाई की वाइफ है, and बिटिया हमारी रोहित की बिटिया है, and my son Avi, he's Kriti, and we've been living together, and we hope to live together.
चलो, that's nice. That's really nice. तो अभी जो हमारा सेटअप है ये कितना पुराना है सर? कितना कब ये घर बना था? स्टार्टिंग जब हुई थी कब ये घर बना था?
Ma'am, we've been living in this house since last 43 years now.
Yeah.
43 years.
43 years, and this is a house like Britishers के time का है, उस समय का house है, because you can see the roof of my room that is I think 15 feet high, and वो पुराने time पे होता था, उस समय जब होता था, and we have retained that room like that only.
That's nice.
And we have added few rooms and drawing and dining to that.
अब जब इतने साल यहाँ रहते हुए हो गए हैं, तो अब जब चेंज करना चाह रहे हैं तो what is your expectation?
Space.
Space.
You want
अच्छा ये एक point space. आप सर
ये डिज़ाइन तो प्रॉपर है, लेकिन वही है कि सिटिंग अगर वो फैमिली फंक्शंस हों तो भी फील कि बहुत टाइट हो रहा है.
कोई जगह सीढ़ी पे जाके बैठ जाता है तो हमें थोड़ा सा that doesn't look nice.
Okay. और कुछ सर?
स्पेस इज अ मेन इशू.
चेंज भी थोड़ा जरूरी है.
Change.
इतने दिनों से क्योंकि ऐसे ही वो है तो एक चेंज भी बहुत जरूरी
We
है.
discussed different nuances of the space and how it could be changed completely. We also wanted to complete the interiors in a budget and not overspend. So now my work begins, and the first thing I do is space planning. Biggest challenge that we have is this is just 4 feet 8 inches, and we need to place a full dining for 6 people. That niche on the staircase is being used for crockery storage. The walls are 14 inches thick, and the customers want to retain the niche. But they do need something else to serve as a buffet table. What you see here is the back of the existing sofa that has covered the entire passage and made the drawing room look smaller than actually it is. The use of darker colors and curtains on every window and passage make the room further look smaller and darker. The lighting needs to be taken care of, and there's a lot of work, so let's get started. New electrical fitments, replastering and ripping the old frames to make space for new ones. It took us 1.5 months to revamp the space. Let's take you back to the home after the makeover. So we are back at the site, and we came here in winters and now it's springtime and the whole season has changed, and so has the home. Let's check it out. All the furniture for this space was customized, and this sectional that you see is 10 feet long. It took around 8 men to transport this from our workshop to the client's home. Placement of a linear sectional opens up the space and also creates seating for 11 people. In addition to the 2 chairs that are opposite the sofa, this bench serves as a seating in the living as well as the dining space. This is the wall that was totally neglected. Now it's the highlight wall. Buffet table has been added here for them to use when there are gatherings. How do you feel? How do you feel that the space has come up?
It's totally a
हमारा घर नहीं
transformation.
है ये
It's totally a transformation.
seriously
It's totally a transformation.
And this is by you guys. You guys have chosen everything. I think each one of us is sitting very comfortable.
Yeah.
And still we have space for
Very
more
good.
people to come over.
Yeah, more people.
Huh?
Exactly. And the ambience is fantastic. Absolute.
Not only sitting but
Layout.
हाँ layout जो openness दिख रही है वो congested नहीं दिख रहा है.
Not only drawing room, but the dining space where we used to mingle with the chairs and.
अच्छा, आप लोग जैसे डाइनिंग स्पेस यूज करते हैं तो उसमें भी आपको कंफर्टेबल होता है डाइनिंग को यूज करना, एवरीबॉडी ईटिंग एंड
Yeah.
बेंच यूजिंग इन देयर,
Yeah.
बिकॉज़ वो मेरे को नहीं पता क्योंकि मेरे को
No, we had a get together after
अच्छा,
this.
अच्छा.
My sisters and the families came
अच्छा,
and all were comfortable. No beds. We used the
That's nice.
buffet table.
Buffet table is also
जो भी कोई आ रहा है वो अप्रिशिएट ही कर रहा है, सबसे बड़ी बात ये है. हमें तो अच्छा लगा है लेकिन बाहर वाले भी सब यही पूछ रहे किससे कराया, अप्रिशिएट
कार्ड लेके जाओ, यहाँ पे डेक लगा
आजकल तो WhatsApp का जमाना है.
It came out very well.
एक्चुअली मच स्लीकर.
Mostly.
I really like that wall.
उस wall को तुमने neglect किया होता, मतलब हमें लगता ही था कि उसमें कुछ हो
And
सकता
now
है.
it looks so aesthetic. It's really nice. मतलब ऐसा लगता है वाह हमारा घर है यार, पहले कैसे रहते थे, अब क्यों नहीं, अब बहुत लेट जागे.
वन बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू लाइक इस पूरे चेंज में.
मेरे को तो ये जो ड्राइंग रूम में स्पेस निकली है ना, एंड रियली वो बहुत कंजस्टेड जो लगता था, और अभी जो इतना ओपननेस आ रही है, इतने लोग बैठने के बाद भी, और अभी और आ सकते हैं, तो
हाउ डू यू फील?
फील तो बता ही नहीं सकते, हम तो इतना खुश हैं.
दूर Happy space and a happier family who have been together forever and wish to stay that way. For me, the work completed in one room took me to start the work in the adjoining room, that is their bedroom. Challenge accepted.